Hello and welcome to another video in our multiplayer course. You may wonder why I put a lot of player starts. I put maybe like 7. Well, because sometimes you have problems spawning the clients, even sometimes the server, the host, because sometimes the two clients, they try to spawn in the same place. So if you increase the number of the player starts, you will decrease the chances of having this problem. Let me show you here. Now they are all spawned without any problems. Now what we will do here is implementing the track animation, the tank track animation, and to make the tracks go up and down with the wheels. To do this, first we need a node called bone driven controller. This node, what it will do, it will it has input and output. The input will be the source bone, they call the driver. So this node will look at the source bone, which will be, let's start with the wheel, first wheel. Like I said, we need the wheels from the second wheel to the 7th wheel. So first the second wheel, this one. The source component, we need only the translation Z. We only need to look at the upward and downward movement of the wheel. And for the destination driven, we leave it as bone. For the target, now our target is, let's type wheel, is the track link. Here it is called track, left wheel to track, this one. Also here, don't forget to to activate the target component space, only the translation, the Z axis, only this one. Now press compile. Now we need to do this for all other wheels. I will show it to you. I will not cut here. So let's duplicate this one. Duplicate it. Now let's go back and we need the third. Here the third track link. I will compile, then duplicate these two. Now for this one we need the third left wheel, third one, and this one the track, the target, and the source also the third. For the fourth one we look for the fourth wheel and we go to the destination and choose the track. Now we need 2 more because we have 6 wheels on each side. This will handle the left side. Here let's go back to the source wheel. We need, this one is the fifth wheel. Here for the track, the 5th wheel track. Also for this one, for the, I think I messed up. Let me choose this one and sorry, for the wheel track. Well, let's see which one is wrong. Second, this one is the wrong. Also this one, all 3. Okay, let me delete one. Why would I change all of them? Delete one and I will add, which one what we need is the 6th. Let me duplicate this. This one, change it to the 6th track and the source for the 6th wheel. Now I will pause the record here because I will need to repeat this for the other side and it will take time. duplicate it, and let's change it. Let me pause now. Now I finished the implementation. Now let's try. Let's start. You see, we had a problem in spawning the second client. I can't see well. Let me increase the power of the light, of the directional light. Increase it. Maybe 5 enough. Okay, now let's start again. Now it's better. We can see the wheels and the track better. Now if we go on the bumps, we see that the track is going up and down with the wheels. But there's, well, I think it is good. Now what we also need is to move the track links, and I think we need to increase the size of the wheel a little bit. Let's go back to our, there's the wheel, and the wheel radius, let's make it, I think 38, or make it 40, and let's see. Now it is better. You see that the track doesn't look like it is sinking in the ground. Still, we have the same problem with the middle one. Let's make some space between them. Now this problem will be solved later in the game. Now let's try again. Now the wheels are better. Also for the wheel, let's increase the spring rate more, because it looks like the tank is too heavy for the suspension. I'll increase this one to 400, increase the spring rate to 1000 and spring preload to 400. Now let's try this setting. Now it is better. Now let's make, well, the other one didn't spawn. Let's make the track links move. First of all, we need to, well, we have one problem, but it is not that important, which is that the both tracks have the same material. We can modify it in Blender later, but I will not do it. It's not that important. We only want to see the track move, and it will be sufficient. We do not need to split the materials. Let me just see if it is the U or the, yes, it is the, now let's go back to our tank, and let's go to the tick here. Let me delete this one, we do not need it. Let's get the mesh, and let's search for set float material, parameter. Set float parameter. Let me get the material, maybe get material, set float. We look set scalar. Set scalar parameter value on material. The value that we need to change, it's called offset V. You need to put it the same with the capital and small letters. Offset V. Now for the parameter value, you see here when the number is constant, it doesn't move. It only responds to changes in the number. So we need to feed it a changing number. Sometimes the speed of the vehicle is it's enough, I think. So let's get the component, this one that we already saved. Case vehicle component, get speed in miles per hour, and let's multiply it by minus 0.5, and let's try it. Now let's move the vehicle forward. You see the tracks are moving with it, and let me go to near this other tank to see if it sees the track moving. Now it is also visible on the other vehicle. Now this is enough for this video. On the next video we'll complete the setup of the vehicle, and we will make the movement of the turret, and also on the other videos we will set up or implement the shooting. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.